So just wanted to give you guys a bit of an idea of the guide that we follow. So depending on which canal you're doing, depends upon which book you follow. So you go and purchase the books and it gives you all the information you need. And it's got a little agenda at the very back, okay, and that tells you what a lock is and all that. So I'm just gonna turn over to the page where we started today. So that black dot says that's where we are, and we're just at the bottom of lock 51. And there's a little, see that little bucket there? That means that you can dispose of your rubbish, and that means there that you can tie up. Well, yeah, you can tie up. And this here means if you want to turn around and go back up, there's a place for you to, what they call wind, and you can go for a 70-foot boat. So now you can sort of see that little can there means it's got rubbish through the first lock, which is going uphill. The arrow's pointing that way. Okay, there's water. Okay, so, oh yes, and there's the Royal Oak pub. Okay, that's the one we went to last night. So if we just turn the page, okay, so this is what we did today. So we did 2 locks over the page, then another 2 locks going up. Okay, and they name the locks along this Kennet and Avon River, like Brimslade Lock, Wootton Top Lock. So you're coming along. Now this along here is the railway track, and as you can see, it gets very close. This is the tunnel we went through, called the Bruce Tunnel. Okay, we came to the very summit of the Kennet and Avon. So we've come up locks, and now we're about to go down locks, so that it's pointing the other way. Okay, and so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus those 2 locks there, 8, 9 locks. And if you come to the very top, it tells you 4 miles for the page, 9 locks, and it should take you 3 hours. Well, we find that's not that accurate actually. So anyway, so back here, so we came through all these locks, came up to a little place called Crofton, and then we'll go over the page again. Okay, and then we came up these 2 locks, came along, as you can sort of see, the rail line gets awfully close. Now these mooring signs, they're for private mooring. We're not allowed to stay on those. And once again, there is your water, your rubbish, and your L-sand, and that's got parking, and it looks like there's a turning point for 70-foot boats there. Now this page should take us 4 miles, 8 locks, and 3 hours. So we keep going along. So now, as I said, we're going downhill. Okay, this is the little blue dots mean that the towpath is on the side, and you can sort of see the railway line is right on top of us. And we've actually pulled in just here tonight. We've caught up with some friends that we met in London from Narrowboat Ella, and we're going to go over the page. Just going to walk a really short distance, and we're going to go to the Pelican for a drink tonight. Okay, so altogether, if you add those 2 pages, that 3 hours plus that 3 hours is 6 hours cruising, plus this little bit here, which probably should have taken us about 40-45 minutes. So that should be 6 3/4 hours. We started at just after 9 and we finished at about 3:30, I think. So that's not too bad. But we got to a good spot today.